Create 5 selfie photo prompts using the subject in the attached photo, namely a middle-aged Indonesian man with long, wavy shoulder-length hair in several metropolitan cities around the world that are tourist attractions with different casual clothes in each place according to current fashion trends with a happy atmosphere. An eye-level close-up selfie of a middle-aged Indonesian man with long, wavy, shoulder-length hair, wearing a pastel-colored linen shirt, e.g., light blue, with rolled-up sleeves and white chinos. Posing with a broad smile in front of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. The composition highlights his face with the Eiffel Tower in a slightly blurred background. The sunlight is bright during the day, with warm, cheerful hues. The image quality is 8K, photorealistic, highly detailed, and professionally rendered.